Hello, Shadrach and Abby. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, good. I think we can start as we wait for David. So I want us to go through this unit and attempt all the interactive content that is inside here. So you can scroll down, first scroll down. Who is scrolling down, Abby? Unmute
No,
the
it's not
mic.
me.
Shadrach, can you hear us? Shadrach? Abby, do you have your computer with you?
Yes.
Okay. Are you logged into the site?
What are you saying, teacher?
Can you access the computer course?
Okay, let me open it. Yes. Yeah.
You can share the screen, Abby. I've made you a co-host. Shadrach's internet seemed to be poor. So you can share the screen and we'll continue.
Okay, let me share. Shadrach, can you stop sharing?
Share, you can share. The screen is off now. Okay, you go back up, open the computer course, the first course. You drag and refresh. Go back a bit. Okay, good. This is the first unit, right? Check on the second unit. Is it displaying? Let's check whether the second unit is also displaying. Term 1. Tap on major characteristics. That's enough. You can reload. Abby, stop refreshing. That's enough.
Teacher, I drag again to refresh.
Click where I've put a red line. Press enter. Press enter on your keyboard.
Okay.
David, is your course also at 100%, the computer course?
My computer has stopped working.
Shadrach, can you hear us? Let me share my screen and you can stop sharing. You can use the slide.
Yes, I know. Wait there. You.
Abby, you can stop sharing.
Okay. Wait, computer. How come your friends are doing well? You're joking around with me. Hmm?
Can you all see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Why here 100%? Yes.
I'm still adding myself to the course so that we can access it from the student side. The internet is not well.
Did you assign me as co-host?
So this is of course the first one that we are supposed to continue with. So I'm going to open and then we'll go through the first unit. I hope you can hear me well.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. So there are so far 2 units in this course. So we can start with the first one. So I said that we are going to look at the interactive elements that are in this unit, and then we answer all the elements. After, you will go to the side and answer them individually. So we can discuss here, and then after, you go on and answer individually. So the first element is here. So can we have someone read for us this? You read for us the question and we answer it. We have put a red line. So can have someone read for us that? Yes, David, your hand is up.
Dash is an electronic device that
Accepts.
accepts user input data, processes it, processes it under special instructions programs to produce the desired meaningful output information.
Thank you. So the question is asking for an electronic device that accepts user input and does special instructions to produce meaningful output. What do you think this device is? answer. Yes. Who is giving us the answer? Devi, your hand is up. Yes.
Is a computer.
Okay, thank you. Let's put it there and see. So type in the answer you think is right and then tap on check and see whether. Okay. So we've got this correct. So a computer is that device that is going to help you input data and then come up with meaningful output. So we've gotten that one right. You can look at the second one. Okay. The internet is not stable. I think that's why some information is not loading, but we have the question there. So we can read that and proceed. Who is reading for us that second element? Who is reading for us that? You can unmute and read.
Dash are raw materials and unprocessed factors fed or entered into in the computer system.
Okay, thank you. Dash a row facts entered in the computer system. What do you think is the answer for this? What are those raw facts that are entered into the computer system? Yes, Abby, your hand is up.
It's data.
Okay, thank you. Let's put it and see what happened. You put in the answer, I think, and then tap on check to check whether your answer is correct or wrong. So according to this, we've gotten 1 out of 1. So our answer is correct. Thank you, Abby. So we said that data are raw facts that are entered into the computer. These raw facts are then going to be processed to come up with information. So whatever you type in your computer, they are raw facts. And after typing them into the computer, the system is going to process what you have put in, which is data. After processing, then this data will turn into information. So we can proceed. Do you have any question before we proceed? Anyone with a question? No questions. Okay, we can proceed to the next. We are loading for a leave. Okay, we have some here. Okay, yeah, here we are. Someone read for us the next element. Just unmute and read, whoever is interested in reading. Read for us. Shadrach, Abby, or David, anyone? Read for us that question.
Dash is the processed data which makes meaning to the user.
Okay. Thank you. Now, we have seen data as well. Now, here is a question asking for the process data which makes meaning to the user. What do you think this is?
Teacher,
Your hand is still up. You still want to tell us the
If it's information,
Sorry, I had gone off internet issues, but I'm back. So I was asking, what do you think is the answer for that element?
it's information.
Okay, thank you. Let's put it and we'll see whether it's correct. Information. Let's check and see. Oh, this is also correct. Thank you. So, information is the processed data which makes meaning to the user. As you enter data into the computer, remember we said what you enter, whatever you enter, we call it data, and data are raw facts. So after entering this data, it is going to get processed, and the result is called information. So information is the processed data. Okay, let's see what we have next. So here we are with the next question. Someone read for us what it says.
speakers are used for output of information.
Thank you. Speakers are used for output of information. All speakers are output devices. Do you think it's true or false? Are speakers used for outputting information or? Here we have two options. We have true and false. If you think speakers are output devices or they are used for outputting information, you tap on true. If you think the statement is wrong, you tap on false. So what do you think? Someone tell us they are thinking about that statement.
True. Teacher, it's true.
Okay, let's tap on true and see. True. I'll click there when I can check. Okay, good job, good job. So it's true speakers are used for outputting information. So speakers are output devices. Mhm. Let me reload this screen so that we can get more. Okay, we have another one on the screen. Anyone can read for us? Oh, you can wait for it to reload. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can put it up, please. Okay, as we wait for the page. Sorry, my internet is off, and that's why the pizza has gone off. So we can continue. I was asking about the hard disk. What do you think hard disks are categorized under? Are they input, output, storage? What do you think?
Please, teacher, may I share the screen?
Please go ahead. Go ahead and share.
I am saying, may you share the screen?
It's okay, you can share because my piece is off here.
I can't share.
What does it say?
I am using a phone.
Oh. No, we can continue. I can have the elements here and then you answer. So I was asking hard disks, what do you think hard disks are used for? Do you all know what a hard disk is?
No?
Okay, so hard disks, we have external and internal. The internal hard disk is found in the computer, and then the external, you just buy it and then be with it. And they are basically used for storage. You store your information, your work on this hard disk. So hard disks are storage devices, just like CDs are, memory cards, flash disks. So hard disks are also storage devices. So, in the element, we were supposed to tap on true because the statement was saying hard disks are used for storage. So we're supposed to reply, yes, it's true, they are used for storage purposes. Okay, how about keyboard? What do you think a keyboard is used for?
A keyboard is used for typing information.
Okay, thank you. A keyboard is used for typing or entering in data into the computer. And this qualifies it to be an input device. So a keyboard is an input device. Okay. Then how about printer? How about a printer?
A printer is used for printing, like for example, printing papers.
Yes, David, come again. What did you say?
I said a printer is used for printing, for example, printing papers.
Okay, thank you. So printers are used for printing or outputting. Therefore, a printer is an output device. You have your work on your flash, you have your work on your computer in soft copies, and you want to get the hard copy out of that work, you will need to use a printer. So that qualifies it to be an output device. Do we know some other output devices, other examples?
Teacher, like a mouse.
Okay, thank you for the input. You're saying a mouse, I'm going to comment about it. How about others? So a mouse is used for clicking. It's used for clicking, dragging, and pointing. So this is an input device. A mouse is an input device because it doesn't output anything. So it's not an output device. Other output devices that we can think of are a monitor or a screen. Your laptop has a screen or a monitor. So this monitor is used for displaying information. Whatever you type on your computer is displayed on the screen or the monitor. So that's why it's an output device because it outputs what you enter into the computer. Then the other example you can think of is a projector. Do we all know what a projector? Do we all know what a projector is? Have we seen one? David, Abby?
No, I'm not in a projector.
Okay. So a projector is used for displaying. You have what you want to display on a wider screen, you're going to use a projector. Meanwhile, I am giving you an assignment to go and research about all these devices. Research about the projector, research about other devices like the monitor you already know. You also research about the hard disk. You come up with the pictures for the hard disks, projectors, and other devices. Okay, I think we can stop here for today. On Monday, we shall be looking at the practical part presentation. So if there is no questions for me, we can end here. Abby, your hand is up. Do you have any question?
Teacher,
Yes, please.
when are we going to learn the Microsoft Excel?
Oh, Excel. You read, okay, we shall look at that after the PowerPoint or presentation that we are looking at currently. Okay? Yeah.
Yes.
Any other question?
Bye, teacher.